Hello guys, today we are here in Junction City at Guarantee RV. Today we're looking at a 2021 Sundance 278 Bunkhouse. Kind of cool feature about it is it weighs just under 6,500 pounds dry. And then you are going to get 2 propane tanks in the front, 2 batteries, full power awning, a pre-wired spot for backup camera. You're going to get the outdoor shower on the other side, and then of course you're going to get the big pass-through. You will have power jacks all the way around the thing as well, and the front tongue. But let's go on inside. Alright guys, so on to the inside of the Sundance. We are going to get a big closet door. And then beside that, we are going to get the 2 bunk beds in the back. The weight limit is 275. Now onto the bathroom, you are actually going to have a big open shower. And I'm about 6'1", so I can actually stand there and my head's not going to go through the ceiling, which is kind of nice. Into the slide out, you're going to have a little couch that does turn into a bed with some USB plugins right there. You're going to get a dinette booth that will drop into another bed. Across from that, you are going to have a nice fireplace underneath the TV. And then you are going to get the fridge, which is slightly bigger than most, which this unit will come with a full oven and 3 stove burner. It will come with the farm style sink, which is kind of neat. But into the bedroom, you are going to have closet doors on both sides and a bed that, if you are tall, your feet will hang and not actually hit the wall. You'll actually have some space there, which is nice. Thank you guys for taking a look at the 278 Sundance Bunkhouse. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at 541-232-4465. Once again, I'm JD.